I-character kaJoyce i-character engiyithanda kakhulu ngoba i-character ene progress empilweni. uJoyce masiqala simbona esawumuntu nje oyiphilele empilweni yakhe, uyi-social media influencer, uyi-socialite nesibazi kanjalo sisakhula. Umuntu ofuna impilo ibukakale as a certain way. Ngaphandle ufuna i-perfection, abantu bayitshela ukuthi imndeni wami u-perfect, yonke into yami ihamba kahle, ngi-right, nginje. And then mayiqhubeka ishow siqala sikubona ama-layers akhe alokhu chopper down, siyambona manje sekuvela yonke into ukuthi okay awukwazi kahle kahle mawumuntu ukwazi ukuthi uyihold it together impilo all the time. At some point in your life kumele nje ubhekane neqiniso ngqi. Lapha siyambona ke eseqala uku-unravelisha, siyambona ukuthi seqala ukwenzeka izinto empilweni yakhe, engenisa evuma ngoba uJoyce uyena owathi kahle kahle ezama ukuthi aspine izinto ngoba uJoyce ayikho spin doctor njengoJoyce, uyena umuntu owathi akube khona isithembu. So we start to see ke ukuthi lezi zinto zim-affecta kanjani, but umuntu osifazane ekugcineni oba strong ngalenye indlela, onqabayo ukuthi lokho kuthiwa umfazi akabekezele, umfazi akathathe konke ubuhlungu okuthiwa emendweni kuyabekezela emendweni, indoda uyayiyekela, indoda uyayithobela, indoda uyayithanda ebese khathele. And I think uJoyce represent abantu besifazane abaningi kakhulu eSouth Africa and beyond ngoba siyabona ukuthi kahle kahle le mpilo le yokubekezela ayinama fruit.
Guys, but season 2 where Polygamist is coming. Apparently uJoyce was streaming. But guys, asazi iqiniso lalokho o abantu basayispeculateela nje la ngaphandle. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sonela Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Super Stories, namhlanje guys sikhuluma ke ngePolygamist from Netflix. And yeah guys, abantu basakhuluma ngayo namanje, not only in South Africa but even outside South Africa abantu bakhuluma ngePolygamist and they are hating uJonas. And yeah guys, kunama rumors ukuthi ke season 2 is coming and ke uJonas akafanga ngokwama rumors because ukufa kaJonas kusho ukuthi ke ukuphela ke story. So bathi uJoyce was streaming bephupha kahle kahle guys, bephupha lo mncwabo nje bekuyiphupho lika Joyce. So just listen to her explaining i-character yakhe lapha na ke ku Khosi FM and share on the comment section ukuthi ke if season 2 uyabuya ufise ngathi ungabona ini ushintsho ongafisa ukulibona ke kulomdlalo. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.